Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to show you how to quickly jump back to a directory you just left. This is helpful because you no longer have to track where you were. Here's our current location on the file system, and we'll move to a random directory that we have permissions to. Now to go back to the directory we just left, we type cd, then tac or dash. We can use this trick to loop back and forth between two directories we need to work in. And here we are, back and forth. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this channel valuable, please consider subscribing and helping us get to 1,000 subs. Have a great day.